Biakamal ka Nuer online TV channel. Kejan gwasame to kon kaler mi banaling. Ler baniga jan gwasame. Arash mishalat a quarerode Vice President for Economic Cluster Dr. Benjamin Bolmel. Jen take Raj mishalat Arash Magwa Gora Jen wa bajan nwaka yakel. Dr. Benjamin Bolmel a jen kwere pa kwany a kirma yadit a jen kwere rode men chalat gwas waniga by president cha kulu woche ke men ngayena bana men dana chalat ten Bolmel point bana jelin kel lermu dong de rande je gorno be jelin ken yambe jalat ka thoknath ka kore bana jelin ka tok English ka do badan en chilere me shaben kaja ban je chulinga gwa mi jirama jadid ku subscribe ku notification bell ku je twany ku comment ka ku je share Bolmel ki vice president Bolmel re wich ka so Sudan rajan chalat gwa same chalat wone ne ajeni ba yu ba ka to ke me kap ke re wich ka so Sudan to ka payen be mo pay diok jen sharoda ya chen wone ajeni nenen Bolmel ponde ajene toge ka pay dioka me bebene en ba yo ba ka jako ba ka kep la dia tintere wich ka so Sudan raje me kuene je ka changa jan dangra wi kel ka payro ron kin dangra wi jan dangra wi DHN wala ka Friday gwaz mi chiga doltin kene kirma yadit re wich ka so Sudan ajene shi kuma roda ya jano ba yo dia tin la kam ka lat baga tup ka jen pai embe la pai diok ajeni nana ajeni lat kuma dial tin today week ka sa Sudan lat kuma dial shu mene de ni police ni ano shit ke chair ki nge dwel gori gang re which ken dial ajeni biga yo ken biken ga je ka pai embe ajeni nana atuga ka pai diok wo kontine ajena ba yo ba ka to ka kap ka yo ba ka to ka kap ka shanga jan dang ro do ngwan ka pai diok ajena pestin tin niam kan dial ki ni shang ka pestin be tin tin niam atu ka pai diok me awo ka pestin be kore ajena ba yo ba ka kap ka ni shang ga shanga jan dang ro do ngwan ka pai mi chi shanga jan dang ro do ngwan cha chop bi ngaje no jin bi yo ko buga jek re wi ka so Sudan shi Bolmel shi raje me cha jalat aramati chui gwasa me meteka metechweje Dr. Martin Ilia Lumor a Minister of Cabinet Affairs ramada diana me metekuje me kira chana ilat ramada der gwasa me agent Dr. Benjamin Bolmel ramala Vice President for Economic Cluster ramadiodian gwasa me Dr. Marial Dongrin Ramadan la Minister of Finance and Planning chikaro ke jimi dia dial ka do badan ba yo ba ga kep ke je re wich ka so Sudan ka do badan chuina ka je ka gur ka je no de yu to de ka riale ka ki de ka kep kana bi ka tin dial konti dak bi ken ka riale ka kana ba de dial ba ga riale ka kana ne dial bi ka kap ka yo ajene mana kap ka yo commercial ka biometrics payment alo biya woni jin biometrics payment tor keniji beje nyuda gwan wo jin Ramadan te ka yo ba ji tur ka be ki mi cha ji tur ko dor be detail ko ke shodu menin kontin ledi kan dial ba ka nonge ba chu ngaje no jin let gwasa mo bi yo to bu ga shu kap ko do ba dan shelat ka jam bana rache me bana jadil nyok kamelin kone ka tok English me jiram jidit ka Nuer online TV channel go rejen o jinder je nyak nasin ko kien ko de lerti de kan chamala shu gwasnitin gor kon ken o de ko tin ene chana jalling ka tok English. The Vice President and Chairperson of Economic Cluster has announced that civil servants and organized forces will receive timely salary payment starting next month, according to a statement from the office of the president. Dr. Benjamin Bullmehl announced on Friday, February 21st, after meeting with President Salva Kiir Mayardit, that the government is committed to restoring confidence in its wage payment system, including timely salary disbursement for both civil servant and organized force. Beginning in March, salaries will be consistently paid on the 24th of each month. Crucial step toward improving public service delivery and administrative efficiency and implementing broader economic reform. Dr. Bullmehl also revealed a plan to address outstanding salary arrears progressively. In addition to salary reforms, the Vice President outlined key economic interventions such as diversifying the economy through investment in non-oil sectors, enforcing financial regulation to ensure fiscal responsibility, and introducing a biometric payment system to enhance salary transparency. Other planned initiatives include integrating the banking system to streamline financial operation and establishing a wage bill monitoring system for better payroll payment. In a statement released by the Office of the President Kiir Mayardit, President Kiir reaffirmed his strong commitment to these reforms, emphasizing their critical role in driving economic transformation and fostering a more resilient national economy. Instead, it stated that the President also called on all stakeholders, including the private sectors and civil society, to support and adopt this initiative for the benefit of the nations. Again, nana go ready nyaka yakele no you civil servant ray wika South Sudan kire role South Sudan ba you can ba ga to ka kep ka pa dogen be changa jandang ro dong wan ni siang ene pa mi cheben ga changa jandang ro dong wan binat be kene kep ka yo ray role South Sudan. Again, that and chala de name a quarter ro de ne volmel ray wika South Sudan kel Canadian content yo pindian ajana dana gore nyaka yakel ani gore no jin bi nyaka nasin ko kien ke shuja paru jeno be subscribe ka Nuer online TV channel ko belertin content ba nonke and Nuer online TV channel bikan shwa mala shub ke jika pet en wale shankar jan dangro ide kel ka pairo ron kin dangro ide jan dangro ide diok biatika ron kin dangro jan dangro dich biatika mal bye bye.